All right, we're doing another declutter. Like, while I'm at it, I got some Lange stuff. So I got new products, so I'm going to get rid of some old stuff that has been sitting here forever and ever. So I got, they had a sale. So of course, I got 2 dry shampoos. I got their Thermal Magic Heat and Humidity Tamer. And I love their texturizing spray. It's Salt and Sea. It's amazing. All right, so I got that. So, and I got a waiver. So I'm gonna get rid of some stuff. First and foremost, this is almost out. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Let's see, keeping my hair dryer. This is so long and clumsy. So this is the new thing I got. This is amazing. Freaking amazing, by the way. Okay. Hopefully I'll remember to link this. It is epic. All right, so I'm getting rid of that, which will be nice. Getting that out of here. This is their regular wand. I'm going to keep this a little longer to see if I even need this. I feel like I don't, but just in case, I'm going to hold on a little longer. I also have their regular straightener, so we're going to hold on to those for now. This I'm going to keep. They have one of these too, but I already have this one, so I'm not going to buy theirs. But is it better? Maybe, but this works well for me. This is like you air dry it and curl it at the same time, like curl it under. Keeping that. All right. So this is an old dry shampoo. I've had that a long time. Rockaholic. So we can get rid of that one. That big old bottle. Little mirror. Keep the mirror. Oh, that's what I forgot where this went. I'm going to keep this out. This is so cute. It's the two-faced heart one. So cute. Perfect for Valentine's Day. It's Valentine's Day today. This instant freeze I use for my daughter's dance. So, but I can put that in her room. Why's it got to stay here? We'll put that in her room. This stuff. Oh, I love this. After Party by Bedhead. Really good finisher to just smooth everything out, and it smells so good. That's part of what keeps me coming back for more. I'm gonna actually put this back out on my vanity. I took it off to clean and never put it back. And then I don't think I need more than 3 gloves. I have a Lange glove, and which one's better? I think this one's better. So I'll keep 2 of my gloves, get rid of this one. I have this thing. So you can get your hair out of your way. When you like wash your face, all that stuff. But guess what? Do I use it? Ask me. No. Goodbye. We're just getting rid of anything we don't use. This, it's a 10. I do use, so we'll keep that. Well, these are for the hair dryer. Why are there 2 of these? Other different sizes. I don't know. Which should I keep? I didn't know there were different size. Like, are they? Yeah, they're for the same one. They're for my T3. But I've used one, but I never paid attention. It's like to, you know, make it flatter when you dry it. Which one do I keep? Is there one for thinner or thicker hair? Let me know in the comments. If you know, if you're a hair person. These clips I always use when I'm curling my hair. Definitely keeping those. And then I have my little teaser brush by Conair and this little comb, which helps me part. I think my hair is a hot mess right now. Hot Mess Express. Yeah, so I took a shower in the middle of the night last night because I had to go. If you didn't watch my other video, I had a neighbor who had an emergency and she had COVID. So I went over with like multiple masks on my face, and after I took a shower like at 2 in the morning or something, and I let my hair just dry, and I haven't really done it. So if I look like a hot mess, that's why. It was quite a night. All right, so yeah. Okay, what are we getting rid of? I can show you that. We're getting rid of all that, and then putting this in another room. And, oh, I have my brush too. I don't think I showed that. I love this brush. I love it. It feels so good. It's like a little massage on your head. I'm actually going to put this on my cart. I'm putting together my little like cart of Mary Kay stuff that I'm selling. and all the fun. So I'm going to put that there because I use that every day. I don't use these every day, so they can go in here. I don't use this every day. Oh, someone's texting me about last night. Okay, I should probably go. My neighbor's still at the hospital, so have to deal with that. All right, so I'm gonna let you see all this and what it looks like. How much stuff I have in my bucket of love. I'm so bad at like actually like putting the wires back. If I do my hair, I just throw it in, but for the sake of this video, I'll make it a little neater for you. Put the clips in. These guys, let me know in the comments. Throw my gloves in there. I think we're good. All right, so that's better. It was almost filled to the top. Basically was filled to the top with that big hunka chunka. I don't know, why is this? I hope this turns out okay, this video. It's like moving weird, like I have it on a weird setting. Sorry about that. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying the couple declutters I threw in, and let me know if you want more in the comments. Love you. Deuces. Bye.